eternal you. Under Melbourne's velvet midnight sky, your eyes hold stars I've never seen before. Every breath you take becomes my air. Every whispered word I crave for more. Time slows when your hand finds mine. The world fades and only we remain. You, my love, you are my forever flame. The quiet miracle I never knew I'd claim. In your arms I lose all sense of time. You're the poetry written in every heartbeat of mine. I'd cross oceans, rewrite the stars above, just to prove this endless love. You're my beginning, my always, my end. My Lou, my heart, my everything. When the rain kisses the Yarra's gentle stream, I dream of kissing you till morning light. Your laughter heals what words could